Nvidia is known for designing and selling GPUs. Their GPUs are used by people for gaming, cryptocurrency mining, and professional applications. Their chip systems are also used by companies in vehicles, robotics, data centers, and other tools. Today I'm going to talk about whether Nvidia is a buy or sell with key points about company, basic fundamental, and technical analysis. Nvidia has massive access of information through CUDA, the parallel computing platform, gaming platforms such as GeForce Now, and platforms like the Omniverse. CUDA stands for Compute Unified Device Architecture. It's a toolkit platform that lets programmers make their applications run faster by harnessing the power of Nvidia GPUs for intensive applications. This is an advantage because when you combine fast hardware and flexible software to maximize workloads, the results beat others in the market. This provides a big incentive for customers to buy Nvidia products and solutions. It's no wonder many fields use Nvidia's products to get faster results, especially when it comes to deep learning. Companies from across the board are using Nvidia. When you look for fast GPUs or best graphics cards, Nvidia pops up. When it comes to the market share of dedicated GPUs, Nvidia has increasing of more than 83% of market share. Meanwhile, AMD has decreasing 17%. And you may ask, what are dedicated GPUs? Simply put, dedicated GPUs are sold separate for consumers that wish to build their own computing rig, like crypto miners and gamers. Integrated GPUs are smaller and come soldered in desktop computers and laptops. For personal computing and graphics, AMD, Intel, and Apple are Nvidia's closest competitors. Apple got into the GPU competition when they released their M1 chip in November 2020. It blew everyone's mind with its performance and speed tests. This is going to make things interesting, especially when they release their M2 chip later this year. I'm also interested in Intel's full lineup of GPUs released later this year. Gaming laptops featuring Arc's GPU by Intel are already out, but the high-end cards will launch later this year. However, Intel has been delaying these releases since 2020. As for competition, when it comes to semiconductors, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, Broadcom, Qualcomm, Micron, and Texas Instruments are their competitors. They have two business segments. One side, they have graphics segment, which is aimed at gamers, software products developed for cloud-based visuals and virtual computing, and the compute and networking segment, which includes data center platforms, systems for artificial intelligence, high-performance computing, and semiconductors, which are being used in autonomous vehicles, robotics, and mobile devices. From social media to medical fields, companies have been using Nvidia products to better their own products and get results at faster rates. Here's an example of Nvidia using their GPU together with their software to improve microphone noise reduction.
Big news for streamers and gamers. The Nvidia Broadcast 1.3 update is here. With it comes support for professional cameras, like the Sony A7 that I'm using right now, plus Canon, Nikon, and more. Of course, you can still get rid of annoying sounds like AC or keystrokes, like this. But there's also a new upgrade to the AI noise removal effect, which supports you even if you're speaking loudly or excitedly. Okay, team, we're gonna push the point. Go, go, go. There's one on the left. They're one. Oh, that's it, let's go! Oh, that's it, let's go! Yes, good job, team.
Current CEO of Nvidia is Jensen Huang. Jensen Huang was one of the three founders of Nvidia, along with Curtis Prim and Chris Malachowski. They founded Nvidia on April 5, 1993. Huang has been CEO since then. One press release that caught my attention was its strategic collaboration with Kroger. In short, Kroger is going to use Nvidia's Omniverse enterprise software to analyze logistics and its hardware to gather information on 2,800 stores across the United States. This operation will be set up in Kroger headquarters office in Cincinnati. For the past weeks, the stock has been in consolidation, very choppy. It showed signs of a reversal 2 weeks ago, but then it flushed down back into the same channel. MACD indicator is trending sideways. Price action keeps lingering between the 20 EMA and upward momentum has stopped. Current share price is $222. My intrinsic value that I got was $196, which means it's overvalued. As for earnings, Nvidia beat the previous 4 earnings estimates. The revenue has been increasing, so that's a good sign. This company is gaining steam and is not stopping. However, its competition is growing. Apple with their M1 chip and now Intel with their Arc GPU. And these aren't small companies trying to get a piece of the market share. These are companies with lots of capital to invest on making sophisticated graphics cards to take on Nvidia. In the pandemic, demand for personal computers went up, and shutdowns in chip-making factories made supply go down, which made Nvidia more money, and the stock grew in a significant amount. More people started to mine cryptocurrencies, which led them to buy dedicated GPUs. Now demand has gone down, and supply is slowly recovering, which leaves Nvidia as overvalued by analysts. Next, interest rate talks by the Fed. Russian-Ukraine war has caused more people to sell over time or reconsider which stocks to hold. My DCF says Nvidia is overvalued despite increasing revenue, and the price action on the weekly time frame hasn't recovered. Its competitors have been trading sideways or down these past couple of weeks. Maybe in the future if Nvidia finishes selling off and picks up momentum, but for now, no, which is why I'm giving Nvidia a sell rating.